are good. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Allied School Salman Farsi Campus. Let's start our lesson 19. Today we'll read uses of adverbs and modal auxiliaries. Okay, let's start from uses of adverbs. Let's see some special uses of some adverbs. Number 1, very, much, and to. These verbs are often confused due to their identical meaning in Urdu, i.e., बहुत. Very is prefixed to a positive adjective or adverb, and much to a comparative adjective or adverb. Okay, is that clear? वेरी जो है हम एक पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव या एडवर्ब के साथ लगाएंगे और जो मच है वो कंपैरेटिव के साथ, जहाँ पे दोनों का किसी भी चीज़ का कंपैरिजन हो रहा हो तो वहाँ पे हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, मच. एंड वेरी इज यूज्ड इन अ पॉजिटिव डिग्री. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, he is a very good boy. There is no comparison, this is positive degree, so we put very here. He is much better today. Here, better is comparative degree, so we use much here. Alright? Look at another example. He writes very slowly. He writes much more slowly than I do. Okay? Now, very is used with present participles and much with past participles. Okay, for example, I saw a very pleasing sight. She was much exhausted after a long journey. Keep this thing in your mind that very is also used with the following past participles. I am very pleased with your work. I was very tired yesterday. I was very grieved at his sad death. He is a very experienced teacher. I am very delighted to see you. Okay, let's move on to the next. Two. Two conveys a negative idea. For example, I am too tired to walk. It means I am so tired that I can't walk. Two conveys the idea of excess over what is proper. For example, it is too hot today. That stick is too big for me. For example, bigger than I need. The second is at present and presently. At present means at the present time, and presently means without delay. Okay, for example, at present there is no vacancy in the office. It means that इस वक्त इस ऑफिस में कोई भी वैकेंसी नहीं है. And he will come presently. Okay, कि वो अभी जल्दी आ जाएगा, बगैर देर किए फौरन से वो आ रहा है. Number 3, immediately and at once. Immediately is used when one action follows another without delay, and at once means without delay. For example, he left the office immediately he heard the news of his father's death, and he left the office at once. Okay? Number 4, continually and continuously. Continually means with occasional breaks, but continuously means without any break. For example, it has been continually raining for 6 days. It has been continuously raining since morning. Okay. Number 5, to and enough. To combines with the infinitive to make a kind of negative. Okay? For example, this man is very weak, he cannot walk. This man is too weak to walk. Okay? Enough with infinitive always has an affirmative meaning. Okay? He is very tall, he can touch the ceiling. He is tall enough to touch the ceiling. Clear? Now come to the exercise. Use either to or enough and the infinitive to express the following ideas. Here are 10 sentences. Sentence number 1 is, this soup is very hot. I cannot drink it. Okay. It is a negative sentence. So we will use to. For example, this soup is too hot to drink. Okay. Look at the second one. You are quite old now. You can have a watch. Okay. This is a positive sentence, affirmative sentence. So we'll write you are old enough to have a watch. Okay. The rest of the sentences you will do yourself. Okay. And students, at page 91 of your scientific English grammar, there is exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. Okay. You will do it yourself. And if you find any difficulty, please contact me. Okay. Now move on to the next topic, that is modal verbs. Modal verbs, students, combine with other verbs to form compound verbs. Okay, here are some modals and their functions. Modal verbs: can, could, may, might, would, indicate possibility. Okay, for example, he can or could stay with us. It may or might rain today. We would not arrive on time. Okay. Now can, will, could and would indicate ability. For example, I can speak French, or I could speak French when I was young. I won't be able to come, or I wouldn't be able to come. Okay. And the modal must, will and shall indicate certainty. Okay. You must speak truth. He shall come to me. Can, could and may indicate permission as well. For example, may I come in? Can I use your pen? Okay. And now should, must, need and ought to. These modals indicate obligation. Okay, for example, you should speak truth. You ought to respect your elders. You must not throw rubbish here and there. And need, you need not to worry. Okay. And now used to. Used to, dear students, indicate a past habit. I used to play cricket. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. This is the end of your lecture. If there is some problem, please ask me. Thank you very much.